What up, guys? Today I'll be starting a $5 to $50 trading challenge, guys. Yeah, a $5 to $50 trading challenge. Yes, I'll be starting it. And today I want to be funding my account. So up with me on the process of me funding my account, guys. So I'll be funding my account on Derif. You know the broker Derif, right? So I'll be funding Derif for you guys. And you know I trade volatility. So that's what I'll be trading for this challenge, this particular challenge, guys. So in case you're new, I do grunt, like I trade Forex. And I want to document my journey. If I blow this account, it's part of a journey. If I grow this account, it's part of a journey, guys. So join me as I take on this challenge, guys. You too can take on this challenge to test your strategy. Yeah, you can take on this challenge to test your strategy, guys. So join me as I take on this challenge. On the way is $5 to $50 account. So let's fund this account, guys. Let's fund the account. So this is it over here. This is me talking to the agents for the Derif, guys, because I won't be funding with crypto, guys. I said I won't be funding with crypto this time around. I'll be funding with the agents in the Derif. So this is me talking to you, but this is me getting the work done already. And now this is me transferring the $5. So I want to fund the whole $5 in my trading account. I will split it. So I'll be sending $3 first, then $2 later. So that's how I'm doing it. So guys, I would send $3 first into my trading account at a MetaTrader. This is the MetaTrader. I'll first of all send $3, then I will not send $2 later on. If I blew that $3 that I sent first, I will later on send the $2 to trade it again. And if I blow it, it is what it is. We'll go again. So that's it, guys. So this is me sending the remaining $2 into the trading account. Let's get right into that video.
So guys, this was how I funded the live trading account. So I decided to send just $3 first into my trading account. As you can see, $3, then transfer. See your fund has been transferred. As you can see, $3 has been sent into my standard account, SVG. Let's go to MetaTrader 5, open and log into the account. So guys, once log into the account, voila, this is the account, guys. $3, you can see. Voila. So all you have to do now is to get ready to trade. Get ready to trade. These are the currency, these are the volatility pairs I trade. So you can see, let's just analyze one of them together. On the daily time frame, this pair is in a buy currently, guys. On the daily time frame, as you can see, it just broke this level. So I think I'm going to wait for a retest. Yeah, I'm going to wait for a retest. And the 30 minutes time frame, I'll wait for it on 30 minutes time frame, and that's what I'm going to trade. So we'll rotate your screen, guys, to see it clearly. And then I took a buy because it just broke the structure. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. So guys, this was another trade I took. Yeah, another trade I took on 50 index. Yeah, as you can see, the market was in a downtrend, but I think it's in a reversal. So I just took a buy. Took a buy over here, as you can see. So let's just see how the market goes, guys. You can see the market is currently buying the 1 hour time forward. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, the same thing as you can see.
So try the extension now, no talk. Try the extension now.
So you can see this is a massive bullish engulfing candle. It's literally engulfed. For the stop loss is too wide. I just can't put the stop loss over there. I just have to place it at the center of the candlestick. I think 50% of the candlestick, and I'll see you guys.